Hello guys and welcome to the weekly forecast. Right now we are looking at US100, so we are gonna then plot our low for the week and we are gonna plot our high for the week. So now let's just go in on the far right. Let's zoom in a bit more. Let's go back to that. Let's see an area there right on the line, so we can see that this is a high area because the market is currently below. This right here is also another high area. We can expect the market to test those areas. We can be looking at this area right here, right? We're still in a downtrend, first touch, second touch, third touch. We're still in that predominant downtrend, and we can confidently draw this downward trend channel, right? So you can see we're in that downward trend channel. On downward trend channel, we can also look at this area right here. This is another it's a resistance zone. As you can see, the market did retest this area a couple of times in the past, but you can also see this area right here is a small area of support. While the market did give us a fake out right there, but you can see the market came to test this area, came back again, closed way on that area as well. So we can be zooming. Let's just zoom in a bit more. Right, smaller time frames. Of course, we start from a higher time frame analysis up to a lower time frame analysis. You can see this. We're just gonna leave that one there. But yeah, what we can expect since the market is below, can expect for us to come back down, give us a retest. Right, a small comeback down, a retest, then we'll enter our sell entry, looking at this area as our first buy area and then our overall buy area, right? This should also, because I don't remember putting that one there, because this is our low for the week. That I don't remember putting that one there. It must be a mistake. But if the market does break, come back up, I will be expecting a retest, and then it should looking that as our first target and then also our overall target. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this 100. Looking at gold, and we're gonna plot our weekly low, and as you know, it's gonna plot our weekly high, right? You can see this area here is another low area. Then we can go to the far value on the candlesticks. Just zoom in a bit. Just zoom in a bit more. It's in that area right there. Right, we're sitting in that downward trend. I do not think it will form a channel. Sorry for that. Will form a channel? No, a channel does not work. So we're still in a downward trend, but not necessarily a downward channel. A bearish channel, we're still in a downward trend. Can you get this area right here as a resistance zone, but it was a support zone. You can see the market did come retest, give us another retest, give us a retest here as well. So but now since the market is currently below it, it's a resistance area, but once the market goes above it, it'll be then a support area, right? And so now we could be looking at this area right also here on a small scale wise to see that it gave us just a little bit more. It gave us that a first touch, second touch, third touch, giving us a triple bottom, which is a form of a reversal. So we'll be looking now to shoot back up, or we could be looking at it give us a retest here and then shooting back down, which will be also another sell entry. But if it does shoot up, give us a retest, we'll enter our buy entry, looking at this target here as our first this area right here is our first target, and then that overall area there is our overall target. But yeah, that's gonna be it also for gold. Now we are looking at the fundamentals. Again, we are looking only focusing on the high fundamentals, right? And then on Monday we are not gonna have anything. On Tuesday, nothing at all. Okay, the economic sentiment might not have that much big impact on the Ger40. On Wednesday, no. On Wednesday we are looking at the core inflation rate that might affect our Ger40. and then on Thursday nothing, and then on Friday nothing as well, and then the 22nd of October, that's a Saturday, so we won't actually be trading on that, so we're going to end on the 21st, which we are also not having nothing major, but yeah, that's going to be it for the fundamentals. Not a lot of fundamentals this week. Looking at Ger40, and we are thus going to plot our weekly low, right, and we're going to plot our weekly high. Go to the candle. This area right here is gonna be a low area, right? This area right here is gonna be a high area for us. So let's go to the 4 on the candlestick. Let's just zoom in to get more. Let's see more of that analysis. Be looking at this there, right there. Yeah, just about that. Right, you can see we're in a downward trend right there, downward trend channel. We kept creating lower lows and lower highs, but we can also see that now we are having this area right here, this area right here giving us a resistance zone, but we can also see that we're at the top, which gave us that double top formation, reversal formation. But so now we could be looking to take sells until this area right here, or we could be looking to take a retest in this area. The market could give us a retest in this area and then it should back up to that area. But if it does come back up here from market open, we'll be looking for a retest, right? If it does break up, I will be looking for a retest for entering our buy, to the upside, right, to our weekly high. But yeah, that's gonna be it for Ger40. Looking at Us30, we had our weekly low and our weekly high. Right, our weekly low and our weekly high. Let's just move that weekly high to this area, and we can have this area right here as a high area, and this area right here as a low area. Right, let's go to the candlesticks. What if we go back to the daily? I want just guys to see this. If we go back to daily and underline, so we can see that what we had right here is a right shoulder, right, a head and a left shoulder, which gave us a head and shoulder pattern, which is a head and shoulder pattern is a form of a reversal. But now let's go to the 4-hourly, right? Let's go to the 4-hourly on candlesticks as well. What we had right here on a week is the double bottom, which signals that it's a great reversal, but we can see right here that we are also at the top of that area, right, which gave us also a double top, which is another reversal which the market did oblige to. So now what we'll be looking for is the market to come back to retest this low area right here, then should back up. But also we can also see that this area right here is another form area of resistance, but we're not going to plot anything. We're just going to get the market to come to shoot back down here upon market open, and then give us the retest and shoot back up. But if it does shoot back up upon market open, we'll be looking for a triple top, which is another stronger form of reversal, but we'll just be on the lookout for that. But yeah guys, this is gonna be it for the weekly forecast. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's grow together, let's learn together. Yeah, peace.